I don't know about you, but routines are super important to me, even on vacation. So welcome to my 7 a.m. That Girl morning routine on vacation, and you guys get to see a little day of my life in Jamaica. You guys showed so much love on my last That Girl morning routine, so I had to film one for vacation because why the heck not? It was giving everything it was supposed to give.
Following the linings on your cheeks.
This is pretty much going to be a little mini morning routine vacation edition. So let's brush our teeth. My hair is looking really curly from yesterday. I had it in a bun. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this bathroom. Today's little breakfast outfit shorts are from, this whole outfit is actually from H&M. These white little shorts and then this black halter top. I just put on a little bikini that has like, is like also halter as like my bra kind of, because oh, my tags are sticking out. So this just works, and I think we're gonna go to the gym also after breakfast, so we're gonna come back anyways, but I just wanted something so that I don't have to wear my sticky bra. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take also a picture really quickly on the balcony with this outfit. I know my hair's not looking the best, it's looking a little crazy. So I loved that the restaurants were all right on the resort and like near our lobby. So we had buffet breakfast. They had lots of fresh pastries and lots of fruit. It was really amazing. So hot. We're gonna check out the gym. We just got back and they cleaned the room. So cute. Alright, we're getting ready to go to the gym. So just trying to get my, oh my gosh, I have to unlock it. We're just getting ready, so I need to get my little gym outfit, socks for my sneakers. We're gonna do a quick workout before we head to the pool and stuff. You guys have no idea where anything is. Found my outfit. Okay guys, gym fit is on Amazon. Tank, these are like my must-haves for just like athleisure, just like I run errands and wear these all the times. But if you're looking for a good like tank top, workout top, highly recommend, because it comes in with a built-in bra, and it also comes in with like pads inside, but you can also remove those if you like. They have like a ton of colors on Amazon. Linked, it's already linked to my Amazon storefront, but I love them. I have them in 2 colors, and then I'm wearing some biker shorts, and then I have my New Balance sneakers. I just need to fix my hair, and then we're heading to do a little workout. Probably try to record a little bit if I can. Let's get into this morning workout. I really wanted to walk you guys through this upper body workout. So we start with bicep curls. We do usually 3 sets of each body part that we're focusing on. So we did biceps. So we did bicep curls with the dumbbells. And I love to just go light, and like I can do as many reps, and sometimes I do challenge myself, but with my goals and what I want to do, which is just tone up, keep myself active. I'm not looking to necessarily build and, you know, get super strong in that sense, but I do like to just feel strong and feel my best. So then we went in with these type of bicep curls. I'm not the best with naming things, but also working out on vacation is so underrated, especially here in this resort, because you have all these windows with the palm trees. It just makes you feel like so luxurious, and it's like, all right, get your ass moving, have a good workout, and you can enjoy the weather. It just was really motivating. We also did triceps, so this is one of my favorite exercises to do for triceps actually. So we did some of these pull downs, which I love, and again, I don't go super heavy, but I just know my limits and I know my body, and I think just toning up my arms is definitely what I love to do most, especially doing back exercises. So we did 2 variations of these triceps, one with a rope where we really accentuate like pulling it to the sides, if that makes sense, rather than just pulling it straight down, the other handle that we were using. And then we did these, which I call like ski arms, honestly. So you're just here pushing your arms out, and again using like 5-pound weights. For some of the upper body exercises that we do, the max weight I would really do is like 15 and 20 pounds, so I'm really not going like OD heavy. Okay, we just got back from the gym and now we're gonna head out for the day. This is the bikini of the day. This is from Zaful. I'm gonna link all mine from every vlog, but I love this one. It has like a little, the wiring going up. It has like a braided detail here. Before I put on the cover up, we're gonna put suntan lotion and stuff here before we head out. It's really, really hot already. I'm just gonna wear the same shorts that I wore this morning. Just obviously it's cover up, and then I have this like long thing. It's almost like a dress. I've had it before. I don't know if you guys have seen it in another vlog. All right, I'm gonna put face and body sunscreen on. Alright guys, I'm leaving now. I just changed also not into that one because it was so wrinkly on the bottom and
I'm not dealing with that.
So we're leaving now. Alright guys, so then we went downstairs to the main resort obviously. So we like to sit by the pool where they had the bar. So on one side was the pool bar and then the other side was just kind of like a walk-up bar. They had tables to eat. So we for sure ate food there. So they had the buffets like I told you guys. That was kind of like in the front of the resort, I would say, near like the lobby, and then this side is where like they had a food station. So we had jerk chicken, we had rice, we had some sort of like mac and cheese and like a Caesar salad. So it was beautiful because we're right next to the water. So we also got some coconut waters, which were huge, like literally bigger than my big head. And then we sat down by the beach just chilling. We were actually by the office to sign up to do the tubing, which you guys are gonna see. We were able to shoot some content, so you know me, always working, always getting in that content. So yeah, my boyfriend really did his thing on this vacation with capturing all my shots. And then we got some drinks. We were chilling by the bar where they were also playing music, so they had a little DJ at the stand over here, and they would have like little games here and there, so that was also really fun to watch. It was like mainly by the pool bar. And here we are taking a tequila shot. In case you guys are wondering, even though nobody asked, we were really just drinking pina coladas and just tequila. So that was the go-to. I'm very picky when it comes to drinking. I don't like that many things. And then after this, we were kind of just waiting around by the beach, and then I changed my swimsuit to a little more secure one because we were going tubing, you guys. I've been tubing one time in Aruba, and it was fun. It was just like this. It was 4 of us, though, so this time, obviously, it was just us 2 here, and it was even more fun. I feel like they really dragged us around so much more here, and it was funny because he gave us like hand signals of like what means you're okay, because obviously it's really loud for them, so they can't really hear by yelling. So we would give them a thumbs up if we wanted to go faster. I would like twirl my finger like a 360 if I wanted them to like spin us, and then just like the okay sign just to let them know we're okay, or we could like tap on the top of our heads. But it was so beautiful, and also it allowed us to see those huts over there that I was talking to you guys about. It was so freaking cute and just looks so peaceful. So if you are looking to go to huts and don't want to spend probably a ton of money to go to like the Maldives, then definitely check out Jamaica. Highly recommend. And like I said, this was in Montego Bay, but I loved tubing. It was amazing.
Good time, man. Hell yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching my That Girl morning routine on vacation and a little mini day in my life. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.